In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix CIBC Credit Card Declined or account not loading issue. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then restart the CIBC app or your browser. Next, if you're using the app, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app CIBC. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it, as outdated versions can cause loading errors. If your card is being declined, verify that you have sufficient available credit and that your card is not expired or temporarily locked. If you're having issues in the app, you can try to use the web version of CIBC. So launch your preferred browser, type in CIBC, navigate to its official website. Now go ahead and provide your credentials and log in. You should also check whether CIBC has flagged the transaction for security reasons, which can sometimes happen with unusual or international purchases. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, contact CIBC customer support. So that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.